Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. This is a Marx 400 I picked up for 12 bucks. And I can't say I'm really pleased with the packing on that. Anyway, I bought this for parts. And it has intergranular degeneration on one wheel. The wheel is literally turning to powder. So, whether I can get it running or not is problematic. Like I said, I bought this one just for parts. So we'll see what we have here. All right, no peanuts, that's good. Get this out of the way. All right, this is in fairly poor condition, as you see. All right. So now this wheel is literally dead. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just absolutely destroyed. Yet the motor turns right enough, so it actually may run. In any case, I've got another wheel here to replace it with. So, as I said, I bought it strictly for parts. I'll go ahead and pull the motor out of this. That is in really, really bad condition. Thing's been stored someplace wet, it looks like. All right. Get this motor out of the shell. The rear plate is missing, of course. But, as I said, I bought it for the motor. So, it appears to be intact. This may actually run. It doesn't really look to be that bad, except for that wheel. But as you see, this wheel is literally turning to powder. A pair of pliers, you can just snap this off, very likely. All right, let's put it on a rail and see if it does anything at all. Pull the camera off the tripod. Now you see it's missing one of the nuts on the brush plate, right there. So I have no idea if it'll even buzz. Let's find out. Look at that. It actually runs, kind of. Wow. With that wheel decomposing, it won't even stay on the rail. Anyway, 12 bucks for this thing. And as you see, it is in fair condition. The shell itself isn't broken. That's one nice thing about it. Just snap a new plate into it and you have a working shell. The motor, on the other hand, now that it's running, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Like I said, I bought this strictly for parts. And you can see that wheel is literally just falling apart. Now this is called intergranular degeneration. The common term for it is called wheel rot. And what happens is these wheels are made of pot metal, which is basically lead and tin. And any two metals immersed in a liquid form a battery. So we have two dissimilar metals mixed into pot metal, and over time, moisture will actually seep into the metal, and it starts a galvanic reaction, and the thing literally turns to powder, as you see. And that was the only one that's been affected. The other three are fine. A bit frosty looking, if you see, but no damage to them yet. That one, on the other hand, is literally turning to powder. So I can just pull that wheel off. I've got one right here to replace it with. So it'll only take actually 5 minutes to repair this motor. And as I said, I wasn't even expecting it to run. So I'll go ahead and put that wheel on it. We'll take it from there. But obviously it's going to run. It's running now, as you see. So 12 bucks on eBay. And I bought it for the parts, of course. Yeah, see, as soon as it goes around that corner, there's no flange on this wheel, so it just falls off the rail. In any case, just want to do a quick video on this. As I stress, don't overlook the junk. This was $12. Now, to buy these parts separately would cost you $100. You know, you've got the wheels, the brush plate, the brushes, the springs, the armature, the contactor, contactor spring, contactor plate. You've got the E-unit, the main coil itself. So a lot of parts here. Like I said, you buy these individually and they get really expensive really quickly. You know, a set of wheels costs more than this motor does. The armature is $10, $12. The brush plate's $5, $6, $8, depending on who's selling it. The brushes and the brush springs, $10 sometimes. The E-unit itself, $15, $16, $18. So there's a lot of parts here. And all you have to do is buy an old motor, scavenge it. Out of this one motor, you get enough parts to fix probably 4 or 5 others. No two are ever going to have the same problem. In any case, saw it on eBay. The shell was fair. Nothing majorly wrong with it. Put a new plate in the rear. It's ready to go. No great amount of damage. Not a whole lot of play wear. So, in any case, $12 on eBay. And I was the only bidder on this. And like I said, now that I know it's running, I'll just pull that wheel off, put another one on there, take it from there. But it's a fairly decent motor, as you see. It's never been mucked with. It just sat someplace and has been attacked by moisture, and that wheel is literally turning to powder. So I'll put a nut on it, get it cleaned up, lube it, replace that wheel. We'll take it from there. But I really doubt I'm going to be using this for parts now that I know that it's actually running, as you see. So just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.